How many moles of carbon dioxide is required to burn in oxygen to produce 8 moles of carbon dioxide? The first thing you bear in mind is that the question has told you what to do. What did it say? How many moles of carbon dioxide burns in oxygen to produce 8 moles of carbon dioxide? Meaning carbon dioxide, CO, or carbon monoxide, burns in what? Oxygen. To afford what? Carbon dioxide. You have changed this statement to chemical language, right? So now we balance the equation. Carbon atoms, okay, one carbon atom at the reactant side, but one at the product, balanced. Oxygen atoms are 3 at the reactant side, but 2 at the product side. So what do you do that? What do you do? 2 plus what? We give you the next multiple. The next multiple is 4. So you write 2 at the back here. Oxygen is now 2 plus 2, 4. So you write 2 here, so that 2 times 2 will be 4. The equation is balanced. From here, this 2 at the back means 2 moles. 1 at the back of oxygen means 1 mole. So 2 moles of carbon dioxide yields 2 moles of carbon dioxide. Remember, the question focuses on carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide. Oxygen plays no role. How many moles of carbon dioxide, which is CO, burns in oxygen to produce 8 moles of carbon dioxide? So, number of moles of CO is required to produce 8. Now, if 2 moles of CO produces 2 moles of CO2, how many moles of CO would produce 8 moles of CO2? So you do your proportion. 2 here divided by 2 equals 8 divided by x. 2 over 2 equals 8 over x. When you clear the fraction, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 8 is 16. You divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of x, and you are going to get 8. So 8 moles of carbon dioxide is required.